Hello everybody, be welcome to my class. My name is Yuldair and today we're going to learn about the simple present. You know what the simple present is? No? You don't know? Okay, so let me explain in this class. What is the simple present? Okay, what is the simple present? The simple present is used to talk about habits or routines. But what does it mean? Okay, the activities or the things you do every day. Okay, maybe a habit could be reading newspaper every morning, or a routine could be walk the dog every afternoon. Are you exercising this quarantine? Could be one of your routines or your habits. Do exercise. Okay, so this is the simple present. So now let me explain in this case, two ways to express the simple present, the affirmative and the negative. Let's start with the affirmative. Okay, in affirmative, we need as a first part our subject. Okay, who is doing the activity, or who are doing the activity. We are talking in plural, okay? So in this case, we have I, you, we, they, and then we have the verb practice, and as the object we have the piano. I practice the piano. Repeat after me. I practice the piano. You practice the piano. Very good. We practice the piano. They practice the piano. Okay, practice the piano. Okay, I'm talking about a piano, not a keyboard. Okay, you can say I practice the piano, and you have an electric one, but this is not a piano. This is a keyboard. Okay, let's see the difference between these two objects. Okay, so now with she and he. So here we have practices. Do you notice the difference between these two verbs? Okay, the letter S we have here. I'm going to talk about this in another video. So let's practice in this moment the affirmative way. Okay, practices the piano. It's only for he and she. Practices. Okay, repeat after me. He practices the piano. She practices the piano. Very good. So, okay, now let's continue with the negative. Okay, negative, we only add something else because we want to express the sentence in a negative way. In this case, I'm going to add do not or don't as a contraction, or does not or doesn't with these different pronouns. Okay, I, you, we, and they do not or don't. Don't is often used for speaking or informal writing. Then practice the piano. I do not practice the piano. Repeat after me. We're gonna use here the contraction. Okay, I don't practice the piano. You don't practice the piano. We don't practice the piano. They don't practice the piano. Very good. Okay, so now let's continue with he and she. He doesn't practice the piano. She doesn't practice the piano. Very good. You notice here? Notice that here something happens. Okay? Here I am using here does not or doesn't, but notice that the verb here, it's the same verb. I'm using practice for this and practice for this. Okay, why? In this case, does not or doesn't is working to help the verb. Okay? Here it's not necessary to add the S at the end of this verb because does not is working to help it. Okay, see what I mean? Very good. Okay, now here we have the contractions that we can use for this Pronouns, remember that pronouns only replace nouns. This is not an obligation. This is not something, or this is not a rule for you. Teacher, do I have to use these 6 personal pronouns if I want to say a sentence or if I want to say something in the simple present? Now remember, pronouns just replace the nouns. You can use here. Teacher, you and I practice the piano. Okay, very good. Teacher, my father practices the piano. My mother or sister practices the piano. Very good. So, teacher, my friends practice the piano. It's the same here. Teacher, you and I don't practice the piano. My friends don't practice the piano. My father or my mother doesn't practice the piano. See what I mean? Okay, very good guys. Okay, this is our lesson for today. In our next video, we're going to learn how to ask questions using the simple present. So in this case, thank you for being here in this class. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.